is spoken in some or in big amount everywhere in India. So, in multilingualism class in India may have students speaking different languages, but they know the importance of English and want to learn it because they want to play with each other, they want to chat with each other, they want to become the friends. In that condition, multilingualism cannot be removed, and ultimately they have to learn a lingua franca, and that the English will play the role of lingua franca. So they are forced to learn English. In this way, we can say that multilingualism is a resource. But we have to understand, teachers should have to understand during the teaching in a class that he should not comment on any culture. He should not praise any culture because he has all peoples equal, or he should encourage the children to listen carefully English and try to speak and try to read, try to write. In this way, the multilingualism can be used as a resource by teacher if the teacher is very clever, practical. Otherwise, there may be a crisis. If he says that Gujaratis are bad people, then there will be a quarrel. So, teacher should not praise or criticize any religion, any language. He, in his eyes, all children are equal, and his only aim is to promote them, motivate them, encourage them to learn English. This is his first motive. Now I have given some questions. Uh, Section A, very small answer question, not more than 20 words. First question is, what is the meaning of multilingualism? I have very beginning let you understand this what is the meaning of lingualism. Second question, why India is a multilingual country? Why we can say that India is a multilingual country? And section B, that is the short answer question. Word limit is below 40 words. Question third is, what is difference between multilingual class in India than other countries? How Indian multilingual class is different from multilingual class of other countries like America, Canada. I have given you example. And section C, long answer question. How multilingualism is a resource? You have to answer this question in detail. How multilingualism is a resource? So first you have to make understand what is multilingualism and how India. In this question, all the answer of these questions will also come. How India is a multilingual country, how the people are different in a class, and why there is necessity of English in multilingual country. Thank you.